A tank of volume 0.05 meter cube contains a mixture of saturated water and saturated steam at 200 degrees Celsius. The mass of the liquid present is 8 kilogram. The entropy in kilojoule per kg Kelvin of the mixture is corrected to 2 decimal place, and the properties of saturated steam and water are given below. That is, at 200 degrees Celsius, saturation pressure is 1.5538 megapascal. Specific volume of liquid is 0.001157 meter cube per kilogram. Specific volume of the steam is equal to 0.12736 meter cube per kilogram. Also, the specific entropy change of vaporization is 4.1014 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and specific entropy of saturation of liquid is 2.3309 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Okay, so these are the information given in the problem. Now the entropy of mixture, this can be written as S is equal to, S represent the entropy of mixture, SF plus X times of S of Fg. Now X here is the dryness fraction. So X can be written as X is equal to Mg divided by Mf plus Mg. Mg is the mass of steam and Mf is the mass of liquid, or in this case we can say mass of water. Now to find this entropy change we need to find this X, and to find X we need to find these quantities, right? So let's write the total volume. The total volume of the mixture will be equal to mass of liquid into specific volume of liquid plus mass of vapor, that is gas or steam we can say, into specific volume of steam. Now here in this equation, the total volume, the specific volume of the liquid and specific volume of the steam, these quantities are given. So this is the total volume that is given in the problem as 0.5. Okay, so this total volume will be equal to the volume of liquid plus the volume of steam, right? So the total volume given in the problem is 0.05. That will be equal to volume of liquid. So we'll multiply the mass of liquid, that is mass of water given in the problem is 8 kilogram, into the specific volume of water, which is given as 0.001157 plus the mass of steam multiplied by the specific volume of steam, that is 0.12736. From here we can get Mg, that is mass of steam, as 0.32 kilogram, which is of course corrected to 2 decimal places. Now we can find the value of X, because now we have the mass of steam and the mass of liquid. So dryness fraction we can calculate as X is equal to 0.32 divided by mass of gas, or sorry, mass of steam divided by mass of liquid, that is 8 plus 0.32, and this will come out to be 0.0385. So the entropy of mixture S will be equal to SF plus X time, that is dryness fraction, multiplied by SFG. Now let's substitute the values here. SF in the problem given is 2.3309 plus 0.0385, that is the dryness fraction, multiplied by specific entropy change of vaporization, that is 4.1014. Now if we do the calculation, we get the entropy of mixture as 2.488 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now let's go back to the problem and fill in the blank here. So the entropy of mixture is 2.49 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now to get more information on this topic, the entropy of mixture, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 17, Entropy of Mixing, on Statistical Mechanics by Professor Ashwin Joy of the Department of Physics at IIT Madras.